What are non-representation clauses in employment law? Part 2. I'm Richard Hiron, also known as the Hironator, and I'm an employment law solicitor. Now, last week we looked at the situation where you might still be leading people to believe that you're employed by your former employer. This week, we're looking at the situation where you might actually be leading people to believe that you are your former employer. So let's take a practical example. Let's say that you've been working for XYZ Property Management Limited. After your employment has ended, you start up your own business called XYZ Property Services Limited. Now, people might think that XYZ Property Management Limited and XYZ Property Services Limited are one and the same business or related businesses. But the truth is that you have simply taken a name that is similar to your former employer's business and applied it to another business in a similar industry. That could cause confusion and could lead people to believe that you are representing yourself as being your former employer, or at least causing confusion that you might be. So that's the second element of a non-representation clause, that you won't go and stand in the shoes of your employer or cause that confusion that people might think you are standing in the shoes of your former employer. I hope that answers the question. In the meantime, if you're finding a settlement agreement hard, bring it to Richard.